Did somebody say something about reaction? Did somebody say something about breakdown? What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S game here with another breakdown reaction. And today, guys, today we are breaking down On Deck Remix. On Deck Remix. I got so much comments. React to this, and I've been trying to avoid it. I don't know why. I don't know why. I just been trying to avoid it. But one more comment last night said react. So I'm gonna say, alright then, why not? It would be rude not to, because you guys are saying react. I'm here to entertain you guys. So this song features Abra, Cadabra, 𝐉𝐀𝐌𝐀𝐶, Kush, 𝐿𝐿s, Bandokay, Lowkey, Dezzie. On Deck Remix. But before we start the video, I could do this. Pew! Alright, now that is done, you know, say the fire is here and the water is here. As what the English kids would say. Mom! Mom! This is about to be fire! Mom! It is going off in here. That is my English kid, Tommy. My English kid named Tommy. That is Tommy, voice. Mom, it is about to get shit crazy, mommy.
That's nonsense.
Let's go. Too much of the English kid. Let me fix me, look at, you know? Let's get ready to rumble. Let's go. Another suave production again.
I spin this Kush. Yo, I don't know nothing about dark side. Everything lit round our side.
Whoa. Yo, me have to pull up this. This forwarding different. When they hear Abra Cadabra voice, them and the voice is just, you can tell it from a mile away. Even a deaf person can tell this a man your voice. When the man jump in, dog. Yo, RV! Yo, let's go.
Yo, I don't know nothing about dark side. Everything lit round our side. Before a gang got a spot in the chart side, dark and light got split like apartheid.
Man, listen, I'm telling you this. This is RV. RV said, listen, we wouldn't know nothing about dark side. Everything lit on our side. Litty like 𝐂𝐓 Titi. Everything around here so lit. Everything is on fire around here. Everything we do around here is straight winning. Everything lit around here so.
Before a gang got a spot in the chart side, dark and light got split like apartheid. Man, know what I did in my past life. I want to do what the two's got too much to lose. I'm pissed I can't glide.
Yo, I don't know what I'm doing in my past life. I don't know, say, yo, I don't know my reputation. I don't know, say, me a gangster. I don't know, say, me a bad man. I have to spell it out. I don't know me already. Want to see me, you know. Don't size up. Like the man I said, not me.
Nothing but love for my phone guys. Diggers and heat. Anything the drillers them need, man, fund it.
Man say, yo, there's nothing but love for the OFB. There's nothing in love, nothing but love for him brother them from farm side. You see me? And anything the driller them need, you know, say him a fund it. Cause him have the money like that, so him a go fund it. There's no question I go ask about that. No money, nothing can too good for me do for me brother them. That is what he's saying. I'm excited about this track, man.
Ain't done shit in the field, just wanna talk online like a pundit. You got chased, friends got chinged, all cause the gang got bored and hunted.
So brother, let me tell you this. You don't know nothing, brother. You don't know nothing. Only thing you do, talk online like a pundit, like a football pundit, like a Gary Lineker, like a Ian Wright, like a Alan Shearer. That's all you do. Like match of the day, you depend, brother, is a pundit. You don't do nothing about what go on out here, so brother. Big up match of the day team too. Big up match of the day. Big up Gary Lineker them. Legend them, not the thing. Let's go.
Shot in his face, I was on the wing, put him in a roll.
And they really got guns, I don't know, man. Dance with a pole with it, yeah, I don't know.
Who is this? Who is this now? Because I don't know. Is this Kush? Is this Kush?
I just spun round twice with bro, got a laser beam trying to take his soul. I got enough love for my job, he's kinda active, circle around trying to put him in a fat split.
He must say him have enough love for him drove with them because them active. Them active because them up on the road. So him have enough love and respect for them because them a get up and a go out. Him say something about him split for a while ago. Circle them around. Something about split.
Circle around trying to put him in a fat split. Oh way or no way, it's all tactics. Internet use all hype but they catfish.
Them internet youth are hype. But them a catfish. Big up the infamous show up on MTV, Catfish. I'm not sure if that show is still going on. But yo, them boy are fake. Them fake like go-go eyelash. Them fake like a stripper eyelash. Them fake like them made in China. Them fake like them you're not fake. Just don't say you're not fake. Just don't say you're not fake.
Spin that cute, who's that bro? Spin that, he's moving like Christopher Walken. I don't tell a young boy step back, take deep breaths, that cause there ain't no talking.
Yeah, this beat is quite nice, bro. Like, so far, RV flow nice. If I push this, it might flow good to me. Like the, let's go, man.
Jiggy on deck when I step with the gang, ain't none of my dreams straight to rise and tan. Jiggy on deck when I'm doing up traps, still jump out gang on 2-2 man. I spin.
Oh, here come the G. Here come the G.
Man, I spin this Kush. I just see something. Should have never been in bitch, and I would have seen you with a peanut on.
Ah! Pop, 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 pop. Yo. The man said, hey, spin this scoop. I see something. Yo, blood clot. Yo, Abra, dog. Yo, he's so jovial with him thing, brother. Him know say him is very distinctive. Him know say he's very good at what he's doing. So he's just happy doing it. He might enjoy himself. Yo, I be a smiling up on the man's face, dog. I be a smiling up on the man's face, brother. I'm the only rapper I know we love smile, so dog. Brother, they love yourself, dog. Me rate you fuck. Yo, me have to cuss a bad word. Me rate the man you fuck, dog. The man different, brother. Look at him jump out.
I spin this Kush. I just see something. Should have never been in bitch, and I would have seen you with a peanut on.
Your man say, yeah, you shouldn't have on them ends here. You shouldn't over here, so me, or else me wouldn't see you. No, me see you, it a go be something. You know, say enough to come over here, so you're stray. He's a stray dog. Want to stray, you're gonna get pellet. You're gonna get gunshot. Yo, turn on the car, because gun this a film. Spin the coupe. How I'm told now. I be a coupe in talk about spin doing now. I be a coupe them driving at OFB though. Yo, the brother you're different dog.
I want to squeeze something. Bad man don't squeeze for nothing. Bad man don't brandish machine for fun, man. Big matic and make people run you in.
Blood clot! Yo, me well want squeeze something, me well want murder something. Me trigger finger, yo, it a get seized up and all, me well want squeeze. And the man say anytime me squeeze, me not squeeze for nothing. It squeeze for a reason. So anytime me pop off and squeeze, somebody mother I go bar, somebody I go drop. Me not squeeze for nothing. Anytime I start squeeze, people have to start run up and down like them mad. This is a stampede. You know if you go run, take on nobody. You know I get caught in a crossfire. Boom, look on the man, brother. Look on the man, dog. Let's go.
You never must own your liar. None of them pussies are riders. All of them tired, sleeping. When we pull up in the evening.
Yo, the man say, yo, none of them pussies are the man a rider. None of them are a rider. Them not go out with nothing. Nah, kill nothing. Virgin from birth. Go like you kill man on the earth. Nah, kill nothing. That the man I said to them, no a virgin trigger finger. Me better than the whole of uno. Me better than the whole of uno plus no boss. Plus no boss. Spin the coupe.
Family's grieving.
Big 15 man walk with it. Any up boys getting targeted. My bruise too loose and he ain't got screws. Bait 22s, he's barking it.
Who is this guy now? Who is this one now? Who is this? Yo, me don't know them, you know? The only person what me know say there so is Abra. Me know definitely say Abra. That is a bad though.
Family's grieving.
Big 15 man walk with it. Any up boys getting targeted. My bruise too loose and he ain't got screws. Bait 22s, he's barking it.
Yo, him coming smooth and nice for the rhythm. Him not cool for the rhythm. Him not kill up himself. To be fair, none of them never kill up themselves. Yo, give me some water, man. Some water, man. Man say, yo, big 15. The big 15, me walk with it. Which gun name the 15, brother? I don't know which gun name the 15. I know about the 16. You see me? Yo, which gun name 15? Tell me, cause I don't know which gun name 15, brother.
My bruise too loose and he ain't got screws. Bait 22s, he's barking it. Clarting it. Creeping on volts with the smoke up your bro, don't call at him.
The man say, yo, basically, yo, anywhere, brother. I'm ready for go make the step. I'm a walk with it, I'm a crawl with it. Jesus Christ, man. Why me take so long to react to this? Why me take so long to even react to this? I don't know why me take so long, though.
snitches and bitches. Build our farm, all feel we don't harbour it. Tryna catch me at air with this 410. Reason I can't, no BT and Rendo.
Huh? You're trying to catch me in OFB at 410.
𝐷𝐄𝐀𝐶𝐉 and the caliber bangs. Chillin' on the L's like death row.
Man say 𝐷𝐄𝐀𝐶𝐉 and the caliber bang. 𝐷𝐿𝐶𝐉! When the caliber bang, say no, say problem in the dog. You know a problem, you know. If you know about 𝐷𝐿𝐶𝐉, you know a problem, you know. Like that. Word play, like that.
Pull up on them and let go. 5 seconds gone, you can still hear the echo. We get though, from the get-go. 2 fat teeth in the smoke like ghetto.
The man said bloom. Sorry for short, but bloom. The man said 5 seconds later, you still hear the bloom. 5 seconds later, you still hear the shot. 5 seconds. The way the thing sound, the way the thing loud. You can still in your bed and it wake you up. Your feet are right next to your ears, it there. Skuddoom! Bumbleclad. Sorry for the shouting, but me excited. Let's go.
Pretty machine have a beat, even if it's ugly, bad man just squeeze it, clean it.
Oi, how would this now?
Pretty machine have a beat, even if it's ugly, bad man just squeeze it, clean it. G-locks loud, but the dot screaming, yo.
The man say, yo, no matter how the machine look, no matter how the machine stay, we are gonna beat it. Once it work, we are gonna beat it. No matter how it ugly, we are gonna beat it. We are gonna clean it. Still have to go You know what I like about this? Every man so far talented. Very talented youth them.
Rank put him up with no meaning. Him G-Mug is fuck tag teaming. Don't he got smoke still breathing. Caught him off flash and I got his feelings.
Every man enjoy himself. Yo, why me take so long for react to this? I break it down. Cause that me do, you know. I break it down. I'm breaking it down. That's why I'm pausing it so much. Cause I break down stuff. Let's go.
Hey, and if you weren't done by young fella, probably chat next cause of your bumper. Yo, best run when you hear these gunshots. Spin the scoop and I bet all the fun stops.
Hey boy, you better run when you hear them gunshot ya. If you're lucky, you get away. If you're lucky, you will get away. Cause when the Cooper go spin, I be a coat the man them spin like me say earlier, and I be a coat the man them a spin dog. I be a coat the man them a spin. Who is this now? I don't know who this are coming now.
Jiggy on that shit, stump up. She won't come to the T, she don't go to the L, she won't come to the O with a gun for.
I got my brown inside, but she give me stress, so I might fly away. She my
Yo, every time you hear that you just start rap, brother, it just him. It is so very distinctive. It's like I don't know. I know I keep emphasizing how distinctive he is, which we all know. But yo, every time him says something, I'm excited to hear what the next line I gonna be.
Come to the O with a gun for.
I got my brown inside, but she give me stress, so I might fly away. She my westing now, she don't give me stress. She don't make me feel nice, jiggy on that.
Man say, yo, I have a brownie, but she give me stress. You know, so the prettiest girl them always give her the most stress, right? The freakiest girl them give her the most stress, right? The baddest girl them give her the most stress, right? The most fun girls to be around give her the most stress in life. But you know, so we cannot live with them and we cannot live without them. The girl them love them, tender touch them, different girl every day.
Give me stress, so I might fly away. She my westing now, she don't give me stress. She don't make me feel nice, jiggy on that.
Jiggy on deck, jiggy on, jiggy on deck, jiggy on deck, jiggy on. I like I don't say jiggy on deck though.
That just took a weird turn.
Bad girl around, jiggy on deck. In North London, jiggy on deck. In East London, jiggy on deck. But I don't ever slip, got my bicky on quiff.
When I said jiggy on deck, what do I mean? Like, girl in the trap house, I get them jiggy, I get them. I'm telling you something as well. As a Jamaican, ladies, if a Jamaican man approach you, know, and wall up on your hand, and them are digging your hand miggle like this, them are digging the miggle your hand like this, that means them want jiggy you. That's it mean, ladies. So, guys, we are watch this. If you want to see a girl and like her, and you know talk to her and thing, and you want to show her, say, yo, you know, say, I want jiggy you on deck, just hold her hand and just use your thumb in her hand miggle her hand like this, you know? You know? Yeah, just hold her hand and just put any of your finger them in her hand miggle and, you know? Yeah, Jamaica say hand miggle. We say hand miggle. Not middle of the hand, no, hand miggle. Head back. heel back, hand back. You see me? Yeah, Farid. Yeah, that's what we. Let's go.
I spin this clips. I just see something. Should've never been invincible. I would've seen you with a peanut on.
I tell you already, you shouldn't over your soul. You're straight, you're in the wrong neighborhood. And you say anytime we buck up, it'll go fuck up. Just know that. Do not stray. If you're a man in a war, do not go in area. Do not stray because you're gonna get fucked. Like what the duck get. You're gonna get fucked. Like a prostitute. You're gonna get fucked. Alright, left it.
I wanna squeeze something. Bad man don't squeeze for nothing. Bad man don't brandish machine for fun, man. Be big matic and make people run you.
Yo, the man flow different, dog. The man flow different, brother. Like differently different.
Never was calling you a liar. None of them pussies are riders. All of them tired, sleeping. When we pull up in the evening.
Man say, yo, them boy are tired, them are sleep and them pull up in the evening. Them boy are gone to them bed from 6 o'clock. Your mother say, Jeffrey, dinner's ready. Come and eat your dinner, Jeffrey. Dinner's ready. Come and eat your dinner. When you're done, you piss. Make sure you see your bed, piss, and then go to your bed. Don't turn on the TV, don't turn on the computer. Go on to your bed. You have school tomorrow, or you have college tomorrow, or you have a job interview tomorrow. Cause we're not on the road. So every time we pull up on our sleep. So that means that if we catch you outside at daytime, we're gonna kill you. Cause we know so by 6 o'clock, you're gonna sleep. You're no man. You're a boy.
Family's grieving. Every girl want mother for me. Big broke back man broke off a hit. Me do with them sick, me rambo up and hit. Them ready for rip, chew your best drip.
Bumbleclad. My language again. Baga. Lowkey, me know you. Cause me do one of your song already. Let's go again, Lowkey. Let's go again, me J.
Family's grieving. Every girl want mother for me. Big broke back man broke off a hit. Me do with them sick, me rambo up and hit. Them ready for rip, chew your best drip.
Every girl a mother.
Family's grieving. Every girl want mother for me. Big broke back man broke off a hit.
Every girl want mother for me. Every girl a mad over me. You don't see me. Every girl a mad over. Hot boy a me. Every girl a mad over. That the man I say. Every girl a mad over him. I say big broke back. Broke off the hip. I don't know if the girl him attack. The back off. I don't know. Didn't get the part that quite good. But make you go out the next part.
Me do with them sick. Me rambo up and hit. Them ready for rip. Chew your best drip.
The Juvie them sick, them Rambo up on them hip, them Rambo knife. If you watch Rambo, you see the knife where Rambo did use in the movie. Jamaica call it Rambo knife. Because obviously it's based off of the Rambo movie. So the big Rambo knife. That the juvenile them have on them hip. They're ready for use it and tear up your vest. No matter where you are here, brother. The knife is lethal like an injection. That's what the G say. Let's go, bro.
Jiggy pan deck. No say they want too flicky pan deck. Anyway me deck, big ziggy pan deck. Fuck y'all in them mouth, big hoodie in our neck.
Bumbleclad! Yo, give me some water. The man say, yo, jiggy pan deck. Anywhere me go, you know say jiggy. And hey, them gal ya, first up, hold on, bumbo rasclat dog. Lowkey, move your bumbleclad. You send me, you make me, Lowkey, you make me go back too much time, brother. What the fuck there, dog? Chill now, brother. Lowkey, look up yourself, dog. Let's go, brother.
Me do with them sick, me rambo up and hit. Them ready for rip, chew your best drip. Jiggy pan deck. No say they want too flicky pan deck.
I say jiggy pan deck. You know, so they want too flicky pan them. Alright then. Alright. We get that part there. The next part now, that's how I want to get because I love that part there. I love that part there. Let's go.
Anyway, me deck, big ziggy pan deck. Fuck y'all in them mouth, big hoodie in our neck.
Anyway, me go. Big ziggy pan deck. Him weed, him ziggy. Yeah, him marijuana, him herb, him ganja. Pan deck. You see me? The man say, yo, big good. Him use and fuck girl in the mouth. You see me? When him fuck them in the mouth, it reach down on them chest. Rock out. So, kids, if you're watching, I'm sorry. You shouldn't be over here right now. This is an adults only channel right now. I don't know if you stay off of that channel. Cause right now, that thing. The man say fuck girl in the mouth. Fuck girl. A two all alone with fuck girl in her. Mouth and pum. That the man I tell you straight. Nobody around here. Nobody. You see me? So that the man I tell you straight. Jiggy pan deck. Fuck girl in the mouth. Big good pan check. Bumbleclad, man.
We no make talk, we wind my blood talk. Push button start, press out the gas fast. Bill up a spliff and take a two blast. And now in my lane, they better move fast.
The man, I tell you about him, carry them when driving, pull up, boom, put in him gas, boom, and press out everything done out. The whole team talented, brother. The whole team talented. Dog. Let's go.
Who them, reaper, dead, we look the try that man fi fool, I must say fool them, man, rinse off a clip until it clip.
Man say, who them boy ya, man? Who them boy ya? Who them fool ya? Who them fool ya? Man rinse, man we jump on the yang, ready. Yang at the bike when I keep telling you about. Jump on the yang and go for them boy ya. Or as anytime you see them, race out everything out of the clip and make the clip end, make the clip smoke. Make the gun, brother, everything race out. Try know that, gunshot I go catch you.
Yo, if she come ugly like bags, I can't make a run with a war how petty. So the fed in my block with netty, crash straight back on swing this machete.
I see that youth here on Grime Daily. I do him daily duppy and I choose not to react to it. You know why? I don't want to miss a lot of what I'm going to say. Because I realize I have a lisp. So I can't catch everything when I say. So I don't want to break it down wrong. So I rather leave it alone. But I know it's talented because the views upon him on the daily duppy I climb every day.
Last night, bro, turn the spaghetti. But I club over the came back sweaty. From left, I've always been ready. Get some touch, keep your elbow steady.
Basically, I tell us, say, yo, the farm life man, them always ready. No matter what we bring at it, we're ready for no. Just know, say, yo, we not sleep, dog. We up. We're ready. What not did? We're ready for defend. I'm telling you, OFB for life.
Up did he button on the linger. Spilt enough juice like my rinder. I got faith in my electrical finger. Bang my throat like he just said ginger.
Yo, you can see say he's talented as well, but me just find it hard for break down when I say I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry that I'm not able to break down everything where that G say. Me know say I'm talented, but him lisp so me don't want to hurt my head too much with him lisp.
Jiggy on deck, y'all give neck. OB sure got tech. Ain't no matter for Mac. Shit them feck. Baby, let's run up a check.
Well, him come back again with the same chorus, Jiggy on deck. So that is the, what's the name of the song? On deck. Okay, so Jiggy on deck. Alright, makes sense. Let's go.
I spin this clips. I just see something. Should've never been invincible. I would've seen you with a peanut on.
That youth, yo, me can't start talking about that youth. Him just different. Apparently, Crept and Conan bring him to the forefront. Big up Crept and Conan for bring him to the forefront as well. Me see him with that song with Crept and Conan. I think I'm gonna react to that song at all.
I want to squeeze something. Bad man don't squeeze for nothing. Bad man don't brandish machine for fun, man.
So that again, him go Super Saiyan. Him go Goku again. Like the least little chance him get, him go Super Saiyan. The least little chance him get him go overdrive.
Big Matic and make people run you. Ain't never was called you're a liar. None of them pussies are riders. All of them tired, sleeping.
Like me say again, them boy are liars. I have to keep emphasizing it because them are liars. Them lie. Them not chat, them a chat. Them are internet bad man. I'm telling you already.
When we pull up in the evening, creeping. Family's grieving.
Big up Suave again. Suave, big up yourself, dog. Like you put in the work, my G. The video them have come out. Them high quality video. Them big up yourself.
The K to the organ.
Yeah.
I favorite thing that you know. Coming soon. Alright, what's coming soon?
Man, done told you already, man. Spin that cute when we see your up boy hop out, man. Beat that. See the up block shit, man. Sweet that.
I reacted this song already. So this song, like I said, this song is a couple of. I'm one of the artists them we keep putting them next track at the end of the track where them release now. I'm like that. Smooth criminal. Yo, that track that bang. The youth with the list, we forgot to him name. I think of Dezzie. I couldn't break down what you said, G. I'm sorry about that. I'm not gonna get everything. That's why you guys are here in the comment section to help me to dissect what them I said. There's been a few times that people have left in the comment section where the artist say, cause certain things that go over my head. Like me say, But you don't know, no one is perfect. So big up on yourself. OFB, big up on yourself for not doing the thing, man. Big up on yourself. If you don't like the video, please like the video. Please subscribe. Big up the new subscribers them also. And I'll see you guys on the next one, man. Let's go!